Hello, hey, hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, so in today's video, I am doing something that everyone has done except for me, and I am very curious to try it out, which is the baking soda paint on top of your old glassware that you didn't use anymore. So let's start. Yes, I am bringing you guys to Jalan-Jalan Japan again because there are a lot of great things here, like all these cute little vases I bought for only less than 5 ringgit. Alright, so here are the things that you need. First, of course, you need these cute little vases. You can just use your old one. For me, I bought this from Jalan-Jalan Japan, which are super duper cheap. Acrylic paint, the color of your choice, of course. Paintbrush, and also the baking soda. And last but not least, some strong adhesive. For these two cute little bowls, I decided to take it up a notch and combine this together, merge them at the bottom, and it will form into like this kind of like a vessels kind of bowl. And also I'm just gonna use a strong adhesive to bond this together, and be sure to let it cure for at least 24 hours. And this is how we make the secret ingredient, which is baking soda and acrylic paint. I'm gonna start with the baking soda first, so I put 2 tablespoons of the baking soda, and then I will just add acrylic paint as we go on to get the texture of the mixture that we like, something like this. And now it is time to brush. So the key over here is your brush strokes will determine the end result. You can go horizontally or vertically, that is all up to you. It will give the result that you like. Alright, so that's all from me for today's video. And if you guys love this kind of video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so you will be notified every time I posted a brand new video. And also be sure to follow me on all of my social media, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, all the links down below. And yeah, I guess that is all from me today, so bye!